Hey guys, I got a brand new package. Dang it. God dang it. There's more tape. It's a 10th year anniversary. Beyblade Metal Fusion.
It's so weird.
Dude, look at that.
Like so
Look
weird.
at that.
Hold on, I'm gonna be on the other side with my arm in there. With my elbow in
It comes with Pegasus,
Here, put your
El
elbow in
Drago, Leon, Sagittario, Aquila, Eagle, Earth Eagle.
I'm just putting my elbow in.
Look at that. Comes with an El Drago launcher and a Right Bay launcher. This is English and this is Japanese. I'm guessing that's the creator of Beyblade. Thank you.
Picture.
Okay, so now we're opening the Beyblades. It comes with a manual like most of them do. I don't want that. You want them? You want to keep the manual, Simon?
Mm.
Oh, dang it, it ripped. I got stuck in my tooth. I got stuck in between my teeth. I don't know how to read Japanese. But yeah.
Like this.
Christ, dude.
Dude, shouldn't like zoom in with this?
Okay. 5 Beyblades. This is as many of you may know, Tornado Pegasus. This one, right here, this one, right here, is Rock Leon. Defense type. It bursts really easy because it's meant for display pretty much. This okay, that's enough. This is Flame Sagittario with the blade wheel majiggy. When it spins, they come out. Yeah. Also, again, bursts real easy. This is the performance tip. This, as many of you may know, is Earth Eagle. Beyblade burst version. They all burst very easy except for Pegasus, because Pegasus and El Drago are meant for battle. And this right here is El Drago. El Drago is like one of the 2 left spinning bays in Beyblade Burst, not Beyblade Burst, Beyblade Metal Fight Saga. But these are the launchers. These are the launchers right here. This is for any old right spin bay. It goes that way. But this is the signature El Drago launcher that he had in the show. Look how long the string is. Comes with the El Drago tattoo.
Do it over the desk so that you can actually see how long the string is.
Jeez. It's like twice as long as normal.
How long can you rip it? Like doing your normal rip. That's like your normal rip. Is that as long as you can go?
That's as long as I want to go. These two are the battle bays, and these three are the displayed bays, pretty much. Thank you. Alright, guys, we're going to do a test battle. El Drago versus Lightning El Drago versus Storm Pegasus. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my god! This feels so smooth.
Dude. I can barely contain my excitement. Just like the first battle. Alright, round 2. We're going to 3 points. Even though in the show they only went to until one of them lost.
Have you told Jared about our Reddit stream? 57,000. The highest total viewers we had at one specific time was 4,980.
Something like that.
And then it
That
dropped
we
down
saw.
to like 450 because of a word.
Alright, so now it's 2-0.
What?
3, 2, 1, go.
Whoa.
Alright, so now it's 2-1.
Dude, this feels so smooth. It's really weird.
Oh yeah, why am I not using the Pegasus launcher? I like. Ooh.
Oh, wait, is that one the same feel like when you ripped it?
Yeah, it feels super smooth.
But it's weird though.
Oh yeah, I forgot Lightning El Drago can suck enemy power.
Anger! Anger!
Come on back! Alright, stink Pegasus. Actually, he's at.
Alright, we should do a tournament.
Click 3 times.
Since we've done this one.
Who should we do?
Let's start off
Look
with
how
these,
clean this
let's
looks.
start off with these basic
Looks so
ones.
crisp.
Let's start off with these basic ones, I guess.
Alright, we're gonna do Eagle.
I have to use this, I guess.
Eagle versus Sagittaria. You can use this one if you want to, but I like using these ones because they're easier. 3, 2, oh my gosh.
This is from Sagittario versus
Rock. No,
Eagle.
Earth Eagle.
Earth Eagle.
Alright, so now it's 1-0.
Did you say Fire Claw? Oh. Oops. This one moved one.
I wonder if these will like get better.
Garrett looks so bored.
3, 2, 1, go.
Also, I want to burst. He's the camera guy, so.
Look, his claws are out. Dude, watching them wobble brings back memories, dude. Alright. Are we going to 2 points or 3?
3. That's what we did last time. It's 2-0.
3, 2, 1, go.
Right?
Yep. Oh, I bounced.
They're so light.
No, they're not.
Kinda.
How come these ones actually wobble? Alright, so now it's 3-0.
Alright. This one's, I guess, in the loser pile.
I want to use Eagle again. I want to use Eagle again.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
Wait, it's Earth Eagle versus Rock Leon.
Yeah, Battle of the Earth.
Leon just lost 1 point.
You aren't ripping it hard enough.
1. I guess I got a point. Oh. It didn't when it bursted though. I mean, it bursted when it bursted.
It did it when it bursted.
That sounds epic, dude. Oh. I can actually do this now.
Oh! Rock Leon bursted.
Oh, oops. Okay, so it looks like Earth Eagle is winning so far. I bet he's gonna have a downfall though. Alright.
Against Pegasus.
Yeah.
We can use Leon now.
This is Eagle, dude.
Oh yeah.
Leon's is
Whoopsies.
Alright, so it's Storm Pegasus, right?
Versus Earth Eagle.
Earth
2.
Yeah, get that done. Good job.
It was called the ultra wide performance tip or something.
No, this is what I call ultra wide.
Good job!
Good job, you hit him once.
Alright. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my god!
He bursted! He wins!
Ah!
Oh my god. Wait, which pieces was it? Yeah, there's no other discs.
Was it a 2?
Yeah.
Okay, I guess we're doing
Sagittario versus Leon because we didn't do that.
Oh, okay. We're just doing.
I'll be Sagittario since I know that Sagittario is gonna win. Just kidding, no he's not. I don't know. Actually, 3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah, 'cause we did Eagle versus all of them.
I don't think we ever saw Kyoya versus Kenta. Ever.
No. It might have been in like Metal Masters or something, but.
Alright.
It could have been.
Sagittario's the victory.
What, are we doing 1 point? Okay. Man, I thought we were just doing 1 point because you said he's the victory.
Of that thing. 3, 2, 1, go.
Go! Just stay there! Go!
Oh my
Go!
gosh.
Okay, I usually ignore the cameras.
Yeah. You text every now and then.
I feel like you should get it upwards, dude. Instead.
Alright, Leon bursted. Alright, so we can finally tell Leon is the worst in the set. He's number 0.
We haven't done Sagittarius versus Eagle. Wait, yes, we have. That was like the first thing that
We haven't seen Sagittario versus Pegasus, though.
We haven't done I'm at Leon versus Pegasus.
Alright, so. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, come on, Pegasus. I feel like these battles, if it like ends up like starting like this, we should just end it right away.
Oh,
wait,
I almost touched.
Come on, hit it once!
Imagine that's what I get excitement from. I said, ooh, they almost touched.
Imagine.
What?
No.
The Sagittario won.
With 1
no
point.
way. Alright.
Go! Go! Go!
3, 2.
Oh, come
Hit him.
on! Yeah, keep that on.
Yeah,
Oh, I thought he was
Alright,
about
so
to
now
burst.
it's 1-1.
3 times I thought he was about to burst, but he didn't even move. 1.
3, 2, 1, go.
I thought it was about to, like,
Oh no! Come on!
oh, that works. But in the battle, it was like right here at the camera.
Burst!
But
Come on, Sagittario, burst! No, Pegasus, come on, you're better than that! How much did he move?
Oh, I think it was like almost close.
Oh my god, you silly head.
I forgot it wasn't a left bay. Oh, God, this is so weird putting it together.
Hey, Scruffy. That's horrible.
Scuffy! Scuffy, come here!
No. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, he's getting ready. And he's getting ready for a big one. I can see this now.
Was that a tie?
No, he won.
Dang. It's 3-1. So, here's the order.
Dude, how?
Now Sagittario versus El Drago.
We're just gonna put him up against all of these because I know that he's probably the best.
We just need to see if he can beat Sagittario. 3, 2, 1. Oh, they hopped over each other.
Alright, this is the battle with the most context yet. That's involved
Oh
Sagittario.
yeah! He freaking bursted. Alright, next battle.
Or he's just doing 2 points?
No, he bursted. That's 2 points. I said next battle, like, against them. 3, 2, 1.
I'm so glad we put this tape here.
I'd be going crazy. This is how you make. Alright, so
Oh my
El Drago's
God.
the best. The end. Goodbye.